Hey, where's Tilly?
Ready.
Where is she? She's over there? Okay.
There's tree.
Well, what do you want to ask Tilly? Do you want to ask?
Tree.
Yeah, there's a Christmas tree. Are you going to ask Tilly anything?
Yes.
She said yes?
The baby one.
The baby's going to have chocolate too?
Tree.
Is that the tree? The tree's not on right now. Are you going to ask Tilly anything else?
Yeah.
What are you going to ask her?
When you eat chocolate, the baby.
Where is Tilly? She's not over there. Why do you keep looking over there?
Tree.
No, Tilly's over there, remember?
No, tree.
Look, Tilly's that way. See her?
When you eat chocolate, yes. And chocolate.
Yeah, you want chocolate? Tilly said yes.
Yeah.
And what else do you want from Tilly? Do you want something else?
Yeah.
What do you want?
The ear.
You want a sticker?
Yeah.
Well, ask her.
When you eat chocolate.
Oh, you already asked her if you could have chocolate. She said yes. Ask her if you can have a sticker. Please. What did she say?
Please.
What did Tilly say?
Please, baby.
Did she say yes?
No, bye.
Oh, you're crazy. All right, say bye-bye.